Hello guys, welcome back to my space. Join me, let's make this vegetable sauce that could pair with tubers or rice. Into a heated pan, I get in with oil, add salt, curry and thyme and allow to fry for 3 seconds. Then I went in with onion and pepper. After 3 minutes, I went in with chopped tomatoes and allow it to fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of frying, so I add my green beans, which is the hardest of them all. I will be using egg for this recipe, so what I did, I scored the eggs using fork so that it will get to soft from the juices of the sauce. After that, I went in with carrots and stayed to combine to come together for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I add my seasoning cube and all-purpose seasoning and stay to combine. Then after 30 seconds of frying, I went in with my green bell pepper and stir to combine. Allow it to come together for 30 seconds and our sauce is ready. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel or if you have not followed my page on Facebook, please kindly do so. Like this video, comment, give me a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Please kindly share this video out so that Facebook will recognize the algorithm and push it to larger audience. Thank you for always standing by my side. I'll see you in my next video. Kindly watch to the end and see the outcome of the sauce. Thank you.